Okay, so for the first session in our group, we are going to teach the students about how the numbers are controlled in a population. So to make them a better understanding, we give them an example of food chain, which is that will show them the first consumer, secondary consumer, and also the higher level consumer. Okay, so to make the students understand easier about the topic, we have make it simply. For the bottom up means there is when there is no food, it means there is no animals that will survive because they are lack of food source. And for the top down regulation, we simplify it that when there is no hunter means there is more animal. So when the number of predator decreasing, the number of prey will increase. Darjah berapa?
3.
Darjah 3. Okay, Sophia, I wanna ask, what if there is no grass? Will the chicken die or survive?
Die, because no food.
Okay, the chicken is herbivore or carnivore?
Herbivore.
Okay, nama awak apa?
Food.
Apa yang awak faham dengan
Kalau tak ada pemburu, ada banyak haiwan.
pandai. Kalau ayam ni herbivore ke carnivore?
Herbivore.
Harimau?
Carnivore.
Pandai.
Firas Nazhan.
Okay, apa yang awak faham dengan cerita ajar tadi?
Haiwan yang makan haiwan lain.
Harimau carnivore ke omnivore?
Carnivore.
Pandai. Kalau anak ayam herbivore ke carnivore?
Herbivore.
Okey. Faham tak apa yang cikgu-cikgu ajar?
Faham?
Seronok tak aktiviti?
Penyeronokkan.
Okay, so now we have done for our I'm hungry session. Next, Tasha. Okay, so we already delivering the knowledge to our students. For example, we look here, we have a fox and rabbit, for example. So they already feed them by the suitable food. For example, fox eat meat and rabbit eat carrots and cabbage.
이 자리 떠지는 집어쳐 Cause we're on a tour ride Let's take speed up 지금 keep it so high Driving so fast 나를 지나긴 Baby right We're on a tour ride Yeah, we're on a tour ride Yeah, we're on a tour ride Driving so
You want to give 1 star or 2 star or 3 star? 10 star, oh my god!
Opsi the best.